I have again the industry's finest, brightest, smartest with me present here today.
So 1 + 1 = 3 by Dave Trott. If anybody hasn't read it, I would highly recommend it.
पहले तो एक बात बता, हमसे बात कर रहा है कैमरे से बात कर रहा है, ठीक है, मानना लाइमलाइट चाहिए, but can we
आपने बिठाया मुझे इस तरफ.
There was this Atta post I was looking at, ठीक है, I saw at least 10 different companies doing the exact same thing. वो तो bottom of the
we beat 14 other agencies to win that pitch.
How do you handle diversity if your team lead or your seniors are not allowing you for that?
हाय, बहुत ही कोई touchy topic छेड़ दिए हैं. And if it doesn't work out, I can guarantee you that idea, that case will work out one day or another for some other brand, ठीक है.
कि तुम कौन सी बाइक लो अगर लो, तो देन उसने आगे से जवाब दिया था कि
It's me.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode where we discuss all things creative. On today's episode, we'll be talking about how diversity breeds creativity and how do you build a multi-perspective team. So, I have again the industry's finest, brightest, smartest with me present here today. कुछ लोगों को हमें निकालना पड़ा. They did not meet the standard of the industry's finest,
कैमरे के पीछे
brightest.
बैठे हैं और सड़े हुए हैं.
Hello. But yes. So, let's start off by the first question which I have, which is, in your experience, how does diversity breed creativity? And how do you build a multi-perspective team?
As usual, I will put my friend Shehryar Jamal Pasha on the spot.
No comments.
In my defense, before I start, सुबह के 9-10 बज रहे हैं, हम लोग सारे नींद में, but okay.
मैं तो नहीं हूँ ना, at least.
आप different tangent पे चलते हैं. So the question was कि how does a can you repeat the question?
How does diversity breed creativity? So what is the link between the two? And how would a multi-perspective team be effective or ineffective?
So creativity is basically, so मैंने इत्तेफाकन कल परसों मागुल को एक बुक दी थी
I was
called,
just thinking that.
है ना, it's 1 + 1 = 3 by Dave Trott. If anybody hasn't read it, I would highly recommend it. It's a great book. उसके forward में लिखा है creativity.
पहले तो एक बात बता, हमसे बात कर रहा है कैमरे से बात कर रहा है, ठीक है, मानना लाइमलाइट चाहिए, but can we
आपने
like
बिठाया मुझे इस तरफ है.
can we
Okay, I'm going to do it. Okay. So उसके forward में लिखा हुआ है कि creativity is finding different elements and putting them together. So I think that's really beautiful way to and really a unique way to describe creativity. And you can't put those unique perspectives together if you don't have unique perspectives. अगर आपके पास एक ही team है जो एक ही तरह सोचती है सारी, तो फिर you're not going to have those unique perspectives. You're not going to have those different lens through which people see different things, the same things differently rather. So that's why I think it's really important to have a diverse team that brings something, where each person brings something different to the table, whether it be experience, whether it be a different skill set or a different form of talent, whatever it is. I think that when a very diverse team comes together, that's when actually the fun starts, because otherwise you have 5 different people basically saying more or less the same thing, and that just doesn't work.
I absolutely agree, and I think one of the things which I have realized over the time, कि I don't want people to be like me, but I want them to have their own individuality but follow the same thought process. मतलब thought process का मतलब है कि I wouldn't say thought process, a structure, ठीक है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये जो diversity है ना, अगर हम लोग इसको नहीं लेके आते ना, you are I think on point. Same creators बनेंगे, सेम डिज़ाइन अप्रूव होंगे, आपके डिज़ाइन टीम को सेम ब्रीफ जाएगा, ओवरऑल इट विल जस्ट लुक एग्जैक्टली द सेम, एंड दैट इज़ वेयर आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग इन वन मेजर पॉइंट.
I think
our industry is doing exactly same bloody thing.
Yes. So you're right, because आप अगर देखें, हम अक्सर ये करते हैं कि जब हमने भी काम पेलना होता है, कोई भी क्रिएटिव हो, हम लोग Pinterest खोलते हैं, डिज़ाइन निकाला, हाँ कर दो, एंड फॉर दैट रीज़न आप अक्सर 5-6 डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स देखेंगे, उन्होंने एग्जैक्ट सेम चीज़ बना के लगाई होगी. अक्सर इंडस्ट्रीज में बिल्कुल फर्क होती है, बट चीज़ वही होती है more or less.
Yeah, I was seeing one creative about that. There was this Atta post I was looking at, ठीक है, parachute or something. I saw at least 10 different companies doing the exact same thing.
I saw the croissants with bread with पता नहीं क्या क्या, like हाँ इतने different brands हैं वो चीज़ की होती है. It's very common, yeah, that's true.
Over there, does that become like lack of diversity, or does that more become like a lack of
will to like create and will to like be more genuine and like approach your work with like that perspective?
I think we need to give a baseline to it, because not everyone is going to watch every single episode, I don't even know if somebody's gonna watch. Okay, but let's
Let us know if you're watching.
but let's talk about what is different over here, like when we work together, and then we come back to this point, because I think that will make a point. So, like Shariat, you started your career from Pakistan. You're from a very famous university, which you're very proud of. Okay, and then where did you go?
I went to the UK for my masters. I was there for about a year and a half.
Did that change your perspective towards things?
It did. क्योंकि the funny thing was कि जाने से पहले like 6 महीने पहले I worked in advertising, so that was the first 6 months of my career. तो मुझे वो कीड़ा लग चुका था advertising का creativity का. So when I used to live abroad, I used to notice a lot of different things. Like for example, मुझे याद है, you guys have been to London, you might know, underground में like they do a lot of fun advertising. So there's a lot of escalators. They use that really creatively. Tube के अंदर उन्होंने इतने मजे के ads लगाए होते हैं. So I used to like soak up a lot of those things क्योंकि मुझे यही था कि मैंने वापस जाके I was really hungry for work. I really wanted to go back and start working. So I used to notice a lot of those things. And I also remember that British, they have like a very dry sense of humor, but they do incorporate a lot of that humor into their advertising as well. So I really tried to, see how we could implement that here in Pakistan.
So baseline, you studied from Pakistan, got some experience, got international experience. Okay, I'm sadly, अगर ये मुझे लग रहा है बहुत international experience होने वाला है, but it will give a perspective towards you.
Okay, so like same but opposite. So I went to study abroad at NYU-AD in the Middle East.
पता है NYU बहुत बिकता है, इसका कसम से मैं बता रहा हूँ, बहुत बिकते हैं.
Abu Dhabi, they say
You- Do you?
Is Abu Dhabi. I am loud and proud about studying
No,
there.
that means you did not study in New York. You didn't
I did
study in
study in
Florence.
New York. I did
so
study
so
in
then stop saying Abu Dhabi.
Because
आगे
that's
चलो.
what allowed me to study in those places. But like, basically the point being, and why it's important is that while I was there, like the AD program is very different from the New York program. And AD में ये होता है कि like you have people from all over the world and you have academics from all over the world. So what that does is that it changes your perspective completely. मतलब हम लोग गए थे and like I had an understanding of the West because like I grew up watching Disney, I grew up like reading like Harry Potter and like all of these books, so I had a lot of like cultural awareness about the West. लेकिन जब मैं like once I was in AD, like Africa opened up to me and like inner Europe opened up to me, like lots of like East Asia opened up to me, and those were a lot of perspectives being thrown at us, and that really opened my mind about like how things can be, how even like basic things like how religion can be, how you understand your own self, how creativity can be, and especially because I was in the arts, so that unique perspective and like seeing everybody like do the same project in like so many different ways because of the where they come from really opens your mind, and that's what happened to me. Another thing that was interesting is that when I moved back, it was more like it was a bit of a culture shock. So and there what?
No, he culture shock. Anyways, आगे चलो.
हर एपिसोड में करते हैं ऐसे, एक दूसरे को देख के ना गिगल्स करते हैं कि वो
अच्छा।
कह रही है अब्रॉड गई थी.
Oh, so I'm new here. This is my first time here, so I don't know the previous jokes.
और उसके बाद ना दोनों कहते हैं हाँ हम भी अब्रॉड गए थे, हम भी इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल किया था.
ठीक है ना, अच्छी बात है. Anyway, so like when I was coming back, like I was exposed to, because I was working in, this is my third agency that I'm working in. So the previous two थी वो भी completely different थी, उनकी industries different थी, उनमें जिस type के लोग थे वो different थे, very different from like me. So those conversations also taught me a lot about home in a way that like I wasn't even exposed to when I was young. So that I think leads to a lot of like how I approach projects now, and how I think like we all work together, and like how you listen to each other.
Because after you, it's only downhill. ठीक है.
That's what I was thinking. मैं इधर ही रही हूँ.
But see, that's what helps. Like if I talk to you,
We'll come to that. That is the surprise package.
हमारा सवाल क्या है?
You asked the question.
No, there's no question. There's no
We're
question.
talking
We're
about
just introducing
your experience
ourselves
and
because
like
how we are all different.
How we are all different.
and like how you have diversity in like what you bring to the table.
Okay.
So where did you study? That is what we're saying.
Okay. So So I studied in Turkey. I went
In Turkish or
abroad
English?
in English, but there was a lot of Turkish. I spent a lot of my class time just listening to Turkish because थोड़े से issues थे ऐसे. But khair, so I studied in Turkey. I spent most of my life studying in Pakistan beforehand, but so I didn't do A levels or FSC, and that was also something that was slightly different in my experience from other people. Is that I did the IB program, which is the International Baccalaureate Diploma program, which is basically like a 2-year program. So it's basically like a 2-year, which like when I did it, it was very new in Pakistan, and it is very internationally inclined in terms of how the education works.
It's like a
So I think-
bachelor's.
I know my kids go there. I'm just
yeah,
kidding
yeah,
about
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Like, yeah. But I actually prefer IB over
A levels
any
and
other.
FSC,
Yeah, for
agreed.
sure.
I do too. So I think that was something that जिसने मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग खोला था, and like in terms of like how what I bring to the table and how my perspective could be diverse is I learned very unique and different things. So even in that program, being in a Pakistani education system, I learned a lot about the world outside of Pakistan as well as the world inside of Pakistan, and like again like diversity outside and inside as well. And like even like when I moved abroad for like my undergraduate degree, I was surrounded by a lot of different cultures, like people from all over the Middle East, people from America, people from all over Europe.
So I'm just bringing this up. So even in Turkish universities, a lot of people come from different countries as well.
Yeah.
And why did you choose Turkey over many other places? Because like I know many people go to even Malaysia as well. Like one of my favorite universities is Lim Kok Wing University, and it is so damn good. Yeah, they have one of the best degrees.
I think honestly, I went to Istanbul once. It was a great experience for me. I applied to universities there, and I got accepted and on like a pretty good program. So there wasn't a
Scholarship?
lot of yes.
They paid you? They paid you?
Yes. There wasn't.
गुर्बत फील हो रही है मेरे को.
Scholarship, they didn't pay me.
Okay. But
Anyways.
anyway, so I mean, honestly, like at the point where I was applying for my undergraduate, I was open to anywhere. I felt like anything would have been a great addition, especially because I was very sick of the monotony of being in Pakistan, and I feel like that's something that I really wanted to escape because क्या है
हम दोनों की आपस में बात है ना?
अच्छा आपस में बात ना पॉडकास्ट पे नहीं करते वो बाहर होती होती है अच्छा
बचपन में कहते थे दो लोग विस्पर नहीं करने चाहिए ना ग्रुप
yes I
FIFA की
think
तरह इस पे Hassan.
oh yeah so I really wanted something to like take me out of that and show me something new, and I took my undergraduate as a way to do that.
So can we begin the downhill?
Downhill.
No, she's the last. पहले मेरे से start.
ओ आप downhill है बात तो ठीक है
मतलब
तो फिर से
नहीं
कर
वो
लेते
तो
हैं ना।
bottom of the. So anyways, I actually switched fields. मतलब I started with I didn't do A levels or FSC at all. I did not have I wanted to be an accountant. And then I wanted to do LLB with it, so I want to be like a corporate lawyer who understands financing kind of thing. It was always my goal. So I did my CAT, did pretty well in it. After that, I went for ACCA. I wouldn't want to talk much about it. ठीक है तो उस पे हुआ उसके बाद I realized कि after working in firms, after working in different places, मतलब मैंने firm में देखा और लोगों का experience देखा, the crowd was absolutely not it. Like I was the person who would use technology and all those things. Even back then, I used to develop these WordPress themes. उस टाइम पे ना Android phone था मेरे ज़माने में बहुत होता था. Android phone पे themes बनाया करते थे. I used to like make them, sell them, all those things. So I was that kind of tech savvy, kind of creative person who would do photography and all those things. Then I went into a field जहाँ सब इतने boring थे. I'm sorry, but accountants ज़्यादातर different शहरों से आते थे. And their goal was to just be a successful accountant. मेरे ज़माने में accountancy was like the thing. Scan, CFE, PAC, all of them were doing. या तो आप charter accountant बन रहे हो या आप ACCA कर रहे हो, like CA, ACCA या फिर एक और उसको होता था सीमा or something, ठीक है. So people were all focused. सबको था CFA करेंगे और हम ना करोड़ों रुपया कमाएंगे, ठीक है. Yeah. So that was the thing. And then after going in the field and spending good amount of time and failing at times, कई बार मैं 49 पे fail हुआ, 50 was passing, 49 was failing. So 49 पे they would fail you just to tell you कि you know the concept, you just need to deliver them better. ठीक है, that would be their setting up the standards. तो वो करने के बाद I realized I don't want to do it. I went back to my family, told them I want to switch, and they're like, you have wasted good amount of time. If you want to switch right now, how will you do? I told them I want to go to NCA, and that's where I really, really wanted to go. I never went to NCA, just saying. So they gave me an opportunity. They're like, you need to okay, then you need to do A levels or FSC. FSC I could not do. मतलब उसके बाद it was too late. I was too old for it. So I had 1.5 months to prepare for A levels. I prepared A levels so I did A levels in 1.5 months.
What subjects did you take?
So I took Urdu, business studies, accounting, and English literature.
3 नहीं किया, 4 किया.
क्योंकि एक में तो फेल होना था ना, 3 तो चाहिए होते हैं आपको.
I did the bare minimum with 3.
No, I got decent grades. Ironically, I got a C in accounting.
Me too. Not in accounting, but I got in maths.
I got my paper rechecked वाले वो, मतलब I didn't get my paper rechecked, but I wanted to get my paper rechecked, but one of my मैंने कोई tuition वगैरह कुछ नहीं ली. I did take for Urdu, ironically, because my Urdu was that bad. And I did take for accounting. So I realized that the way we were doing it, the international accounting standards or all of these things were very different from the way they do it. We would know how to balance the sheets, but not doing the steps. Okay? In A levels, they expect you to do the steps, and that's why I didn't get. I got not a good grade in that. Anyways, then I went to NCA. I found out, although I wanted to do filmmaking degree, I found out कि भाई कोई scene ही नहीं है, आपको drawing करना ज़रूरी है. I still till this time do not understand why you needed to know drawing to
learn
go into.
filmmaking.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense.
Now I think
really
now I
doesn't
think
make sense.
if I'm not wrong, they have removed it now.
I think
ठीक है?
at that time it was a very
अभी भी है drawing. और मेरी team कह रही है अभी भी है.
अभी
But
भी है.
anyways,
It's
एक डब्बे के ऊपर बॉल एंगल पे बिठा दो, नहीं बनता.
so basically it's like a traditional approach to arts,
Yeah.
which is you have to learn the basics, which is drawing, shading, shape, sculpture, and that's for example storyboarding.
Anyways,
Storyboarding करने देते
they did not give me admission. So it was मैंने कहा ना downhill, ठीक है. So they did not give me admission, and I applied for LUMS, but LUMS was very expensive at that time. So I wanted to go for the national outreach program. Obviously उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important लोग हैं. हाँ, आपने काम किया होगा उस ब्रांड पे, so आपको पता होगा. But anyways,
1 in 3 people in LUMS is financed by.
yeah, in general I could not I did not get in. I applied for BNU. BNU was very near to my house at that time. Then I applied to LSE. I got in LSE.
To come from diversity, it is I applied there. I went to
No, we're showing diversity. हम देखो ना 1.5 घंटे की तो किस्त हमारी जाती है. लोगों ने बोर हो जाए, जो भी है, ठीक है.
अब तो हो गया, अब तूने लॉग आउट कर दिया.
So anyways, I went to LSE. My family agreed to it. They told me to go do economics and finance. Thankfully, I really suck at some of the subjects, and because I wanted to do marketing and media. So I did not get the right grade to do economics and finance, and plus I was working at that time as well, so it was difficult to work and do the same thing. Did my marketing media. उससे पहले मैं जॉब करता रहा था, but the first job I got was in a very very good agency. I think I would actually like to name them. I got in Bramers. At that time Bramers was amazing. I think they shaped up. इस वक्त अगर पाकिस्तान या लाहौर के आप कहो ना कि जो टॉप डिजिटल और सोशल लोग बैठे हुए हैं जो which are
एक
amazing.
point था, everybody you knew started from Bramers.
Yeah, because they were an institute at that time. So I got in great salary. I wouldn't like to reveal it, but great salary. ठीक है, मतलब आप graduate हो रहे हो, graduate के साथ साथ आपको मिल के उस time पे I was
from Bramers once and it was shit.
I got a crazy offer. You know what amount I was getting at that time, but it was a great offer. Same time I was running Beyond the Canvas. So Amir and Zishan and all those things. Amir bhai met me and Amir bhai join kar liya. ठीक है. So I was running my own production house, and same time pe I joined Bramers, and first client I worked on was Nestle, and then I got international exposure. After almost I think 1 year I was done with Pakistan. Same case because there was nothing happening when we used to go and talk about okay, I'll skip these names.
10
The creative.
years later.
No, but I'll skip the creative director's name who we used to deal with in these bigger agencies. They would still be like कि TV पे eyeballs ज़्यादा मिलते हैं, ठीक है? And we would be at that time trying to convince people कि social media, digital marketing. 10 years later, I got an amazing experience. I worked in Europe, I worked in Africa, I worked in Middle East. I still work in all these regions, US, Canada. I was able to travel good amount of countries and explore those things. So that gave me an experience, and I worked with top Brazilian art directors and creative directors, and
They're amazing.
that's when I'm talking about diversity. They bring so much, like
Creativity,
उनको ऐसा होता है ना, वो
ideas.
कुर्ती में ना मिलती है कल्चर एंड आर्ट, ठीक है? एंड मेरे डाउनहिल के बाद आने लगे हम सबसे ज्यादा बॉटम ऑफ द
Before we go to the bottom of the you mentioned something very interesting. You mentioned जब आप ACC के बात कर रहे थे कि people come from all over and like you know they're basically doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So weirdly enough, I have a degree in finance, my bachelor's in finance, and I started off as a financial accountant.
It's just fun.
Blue eyes.
रॉन्ग कास्टिंग.
Yeah. So I started off as a financial accountant. I worked for 1 month. 3 days in, I swear I decided कि ये मैं नहीं कर सकता because every person was doing the exact same thing, just crunching numbers. And one of the pain points I had was कि in my career, because I was always very career oriented, कि मैं अपने साथ वाले बंदे से अपने आप को differentiate कैसे करूँगा when my representation to whoever is going to be evaluating me is just a fucking spreadsheet, just a fucking series of numbers. तो that was a big turn off
Two
for me.
efforts already.
This is like मैं बहुत अभी restrained किया बहुत देर बाद. तो I think उधर से like मुझे वो हुआ था because again you need to be able to be different from the person sitting next to you when you're working. Otherwise you all just आप एक वो बन जाते हो, ant farm बन जाते हो. You're all just you know doing the same
Exactly.
thing.
यूनिक एक्सप्रेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है.
I completely agree.
And
and
यूनिक एक्सप्रेशन से
I remember that
यूनिक
feeling.
एक्सप्रेशन से समझ आई कि एक ना अफीफा को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते उसके बाद हम जो मर्जी पे आ जाएंगे. करीम, मिस करीम.
Afifa.
नहीं शर्मिंदा नहीं कर रहे, तो प्राउडली कहो कि तुम
से पढ़ी हूँ. But वहाँ की भी मुझे एक अच्छी डाइवर्सिटी नजर आई थी because a lot of people come from a lot of
मैंने
different
तुम्हें
places.
सड़क से उठ के स्टार बना दिया उठा के.
Okay.
डरना दिया
अबे
वो।
है उसका सीनियर थीसिस शो था.
I went as a judge to her university
Yeah,
and then
I was the
सड़क तो
so-called
नहीं ना.
president.
सड़क
उस
ही
time
थी
पे.
वो कम ठीक है सॉरी. हमें नफरत ना करना बट आप लोगों को पता है आप लोग टिकटॉक में अच्छे हैं, प्लीज हम पढ़ाई की बातें ना ही करें तो
I
बेहतर
did
है.
not see it happen once throughout my 4 years.
No TikToks were made.
No TikToks were made in my presence.
No, just kidding about that. But I wanted to bring her university in the
Conversation,
mix, in the
yeah.
conversation because I do think that individuality matters more as compared to where you've studied. While explaining where you guys have studied, but the kind of insights or the kind of hard work she brings on the table and it is a fun fact, fun for me, fact for her. So when I was not in the country when she applied, I think she applied for an internship and
I did.
my HR called me and they're like somebody has applied from मैंने कहा यार अगर वो एक ऐनक वाली लड़की है ना, ठीक है, जो बात तमीज से कर रही थी उसको रख लेना, बाकी किसी को ना रखना, ठीक है, बिकॉज इवन दो
मैंने इंटरव्यू किया था वो वाला प्रोसेस और मेरे पास 6 इंटर्न्स आए थे और हमने उसमें से एक को हायर किया था.
हाँ मतलब आई थिंक यू वर इन द प्रोसेस एज वेल राइट, ठीक
I
है.
interviewed them. Yeah.
Yeah. So in general, even though, matlab, doesn't matter. I have great resources from you. My head of performance marketing was from you. But same time, pe everybody brings their own individuality, even wherever they have studied from. I would not like to name my school, but the school I have studied from was a very conservative किस्म का school. ठीक है. मतलब हाँ मैं मार पड़ती थी. ठीक है. I don't mind admitting it. ठीक है. तुम्हें भी पड़ती होगी.
Army college.
सर आपको तो नहीं सर. No, I would not like to say anything. ठीक है.
But meanwhile, we have APS trauma.
Yeah. Oh, all three of you are from sort of.
My school trauma was verbal.
Oh, you're from that esteemed defense
Oh God.
school. Anyways, so
Achha, let's move on from schools.
now coming back to the main topic.
FIFA को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया हमने, बस खत्म.
Afifa started her
FIFA ने
career
सिर्फ
almost
एक
1
चीज-
year ago.
उसको तो करना
करो.
उससे पहले भी तो जिंदगी थी.
हाँ बेटा जिंदगी थी. बताओ वकील बन रही थी. और वहाँ जाके क्या किया?
इसने लॉयर बना था.
मैं
She was in a law. Yeah, that
I
is the
was
interesting
in a law
part.
school, the 3-year degree program that they have, international वाला जो होता है.
I would not hire you as a lawyer. मैं खुद केस लड़ लेगा, मैं इसको नहीं हायर करेगा.
No, but that's the diversity she brings. You spent 2 years, 3 years.
I spent 2 years.
Yeah. And फिर वकील नहीं बनी.
फिर मैं नहीं बनी. I'm like.
पर नाम रोशन करके आई हो वहाँ. If you know what I mean.
Please cut this word.
Okay. Afifa, anything else you would like to add on your diversity and what you bring to the table?
मैंने तुम्हारी यूनिवर्सिटी
No,
को
I just
अंडरमाइन
had to
किया.
deal with seriously. शुरू से अब तक.
Start from the top, now we here.
अच्छा head.
Yeah.
But now we're here as well.
Okay.
But that's it.
Okay.
Nothing
okay.
special about it.
Cool.
Everyone knows about UCB.
TikTok पे देखा था
so
मैंने.
let's. Okay, so we talked about monotony, diversity, creativity. So let's talk about how do you guys feel, especially in your experience working in different groups, different teams, different collaborative projects. How do you feel like varied perspectives prevent creative echo chambers? So, to what extent would a diverse perspective prevent people from acting the same, saying the same, being the same, and just voicing what the other people are also voicing?
I think it's absolutely essential, to be honest. I mean, again, diversity नहीं तो हर बंदा वही बात कर रहा होगा. And our industry, what we do as creatives, it thrives on being different, on bringing something different to the table. Nobody wants to see the same thing twice. That's the best thing about advertising, by the way. मैं जो बात कर रहा था ना, financial accountant, day in day out वो number enter करो, tax कितना कट रहा है. The best thing about advertising is you hardly ever do the same thing twice. Best thing. हर दफा नई brief होती है, हर दफा आप कुछ नया बैठ के सोचते हो.
No, she chose the worst question because I had a counter argument about it, this thing, and once everybody speaks about it, then I will bring in the counter. I wanted this to be
The last question.
later because, anyways, what are your thoughts about it?
I mean, I think it's like pretty much what Shayar said, and it's pretty covered right now, that essentially, like, if you don't have a table that has like all of these different angles, then it's just gonna be a repetition of what everybody else is saying. And you know what, even if there are people who have different perspectives, I have noticed in times where people tend to squash that perspective in favor of doing something that they know either the boss will like, or doing like something that either the client will like. Yeah, and something that they've already
That
done.
they're
You know,
comfortable
like,
with.
we did this last time, let's just do this again, like, let's just get this out. तो उस वाले एरिया में ना मुझे लगता है even if you bring those voices to the table ना, there's still like a need कि like आप उसको generate करो, like you force those perspectives out, because there is the problem of like people just kind of like getting in the rote of everything. Even like you said, like yes, there's always a new brief, but I've also seen creators trying to be like, अच्छा हमने उस पे ये किया था तो हम लोग इस पे भी ये कर सकते हैं, you know. So like वो वाली जो चीज़ है ना कि like no, but you have a unique perspective. Let's talk about that. Let's like I can bring mine, and we can meet in the middle, and like we can create something new. So I think yes, like it prevents echo chambers, but there's also needs to be like an actual like intentional effort to do so. That's my take.
I just feel like even if people do come up with different ideas, it doesn't get pushed forward. And पे उसका कुछ नहीं बनता. It just stays as an idea. जितना मुझे
Very
नजर आता है.
pessimistic.
Yeah.
It's a very pessimistic approach.
No, but like it happens. Like generally, let's suppose some of us come up with great ideas, but it doesn't get approved. It's some people say
By
it's
who?
not workable.
Duck 1, duck 2, duck 3.
No, but like it happens. It can be your own team sometimes. It can be your higher authorities. It can be someone. Yeah, it can be the client, because they don't let it happen, because they want something. Oh नहीं, इन्होंने ऐसा किया था, मुझे भी कुछ ऐसा ही चाहिए. Yeah, okay, we've done something similar. Why don't we just add a sprinkle of something new
when
in
we're
it and just
talking,
push
when we're
it
talking about
forward?
diversity, I personally think कि जब इतने सारे लोग आते हैं ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा different ideas बनते हैं. So then you have options, and that's
Yeah,
why
true.
like when we all are working together, we try to have different people's input in it. So rather than just having, even if somebody is on the brand, we try to do collaboration and coming up with ideas. उससे बड़ा फ़र्क आता है. But यहाँ मेरा counter argument एक बड़ा simple था, and क्योंकि मीरब सिर्फ question पूछ के चुप हो जाती तो I will start from her. मैं एक लाइन बहुत ज़्यादा बोलता हूँ, खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है. Like it's one of the things which I say a lot.
Yeah.
So we did one campaign idea just now when we were working on it. It was for an international client.
Yeah.
हम बार बार डाइवर्सिटी की बात कर रहे थे, ठीक है. Diverse people, we brought in the concept. All of my team were saying the exact same thing. So doesn't that diversity fade out when a team has that great bonding?
I don't think the diversity fades out when a team has great bonding. I agree with your initial thing. I do think that is very possible. You can be very heavily influenced by people around you, right? So it's very possible that you develop your perspectives or you mold your perspectives to what other people are saying. And also, to be very honest, there are some people जिनको लगता है कि उनकी अपनी opinions like they're not.
यार ये जो ऊंचा बात कर रहे हैं, प्लीज हम यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं. Sort of.
Technically
हम
वो
chill कर रहे हैं.
वो काम कर रहे हैं, हम chill कर रहे हैं.
But खैर, I feel like some people are not confident enough in their own opinions either. कि वो so they just feel like their best bet, especially like surviving in like a professional environment, is they will say what the team lead says. They will say what the boss says. Boss कहेगा ये करना, वो कहेंगे आपसे बेटा तो कोई है ही नहीं, ये ऐसे ही करेंगे, ऐसे कैसे नहीं हो सकता कि हम ये ना करें. So I do think that is very possible.
सारे मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हो, वो पहले उसने देखा, वहां मैं कहना चाह रहा था कि ये कहना चाह रहा है कि इस यहाँ उबैद तो कभी खुश ही नहीं होता, ठीक है. मतलब दैट वाज द थिंग. अब वो कह रही है कि भाई बॉस ऐसे कह रही है, यहाँ तो बड़ा बहुत ऑकवर्ड पोजीशन में डाल रहे हैं मेरे को.
नहीं, so बॉस खुश नहीं होता is a different thing, but it's just the fact that I do think that some people just feel more comfortable in not allowing themselves to be their individualistic selves. कि उनको लगता, or you know, it's like so many other things can be like you want to gain a favor with your boss, or you wanna you think that if you're exactly like him.
No, she's like, that does tend to happen. I've seen
But
that.
मैं जो ये वाली बात कर रहा था, जो खास तौर पे कि एक जैसे खरबूजे को देखो खरबूजा रंग बदलने लग जाता है, इसका ना एक और कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी है जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, me and Magul became on the same wavelength for a lot of projects, ठीक है. So that means her success rate to get things approved by me, or like me loving those ideas, became higher as compared to other people, ठीक है. So doesn't this come in between? And that's how teams usually work. कि यार आप देख रहे हो कि एक बंदे का बार बार अप्रूवल आई जा रहा है, एक चीज़ वो आती जा रही है, and everybody else, even if they're diversified, they have different opinions, they start changing the way they are thinking just to make sure कि यार वही जो तुमने बात की ना कि बॉस को खुश करने वाली बात, ठीक है. बट इट्स नॉट बॉस को खुश करने वाली बात, इट्स अप्रूवल रेट, सक्सेस रेट. कि यार आप देख रहे हो कि यार ये बंदा इस डायरेक्शन में चल रहा है, हम सारे भी उसी डायरेक्शन में चले जाते हैं.
लेकिन अच्छा इसमें ना I would
Not you, you're a creative director, you come up with
मैं उसी चीज पे आ रहा था कि like you and I have a very different view on things, like
Yeah.
and I'm glad you've accepted that.
No, because I absolutely bloody love it कि you and I are poles apart. I do not understand Pakistani advertising industry the way you do.
अब वही बात है ना, if you had hired somebody who was on the same wavelength as you in my place, तो फिर probably कुछ थोड़े से issues आते. So again, that is not a good thing. Not necessarily. It can be a good thing. It doesn't have to be a bad thing. But I think again, if you hire somebody who's on the same wavelength, if you have somebody who's on the same wavelength, you need to get them to think differently. Because अगर वही बात है, सारे same सोच रहे हैं, just for the sake of approval जा रहे, चीजें जल्दी निकले, तो that becomes a problem in the long run. And also आपने एक बात की थी bonding वाली चीज. I disagree. Just because a team is bonded doesn't mean that they're going to be doing the same thing. My previous agency where I was working, वहाँ पे we had a team that was like this. हम लोग we were really tight.
यहाँ तो नहीं है ऐसे.
यहाँ पे भी हैं, but but वहाँ पे भी थे. And वहाँ पे ये सीन था कि we genuinely everybody had like a different train of thought. हम जब बैठ के brainstorm करते थे, वो कोई और बात करता था, वो कोई और बात करता था, करते करते फिर we used to collaborate. Again, that is the keyword, collaborate. But हर बंदे का एक different perspective होता था. That didn't mean that we didn't get along as teammates or as friends. वो सारी चीजें in place थी. So just because a team gels in, and we were really well fucking gelled in, and that's what I've been trying to do here as well, and I think we are getting there as well यहाँ पे भी. But when a team gels in, it doesn't mean that they start thinking the same. बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Yeah, true. It doesn't have to be like that.
And that's why I think one of the major reasons कि मैंने जो start में लोगों के background बताए थे ना, वो ये बात लाने के लिए था कि इतना diversified है मतलब at least where we're working right now, हमारा I feel creative department is very very different as compared to if I see with many other agencies right now, ठीक है, because it is people who are poles apart, and that is what is bringing मतलब वो मजा दे रहा है मतलब that is the case in terms of
काफी बेहतर होती है.
but when
I would say, like on your point of like, so you gave an example of how you and Makul are on similar wavelength. So do people, like if people are working under her, with her, would they not want to mimic exactly what she does to get that same approval rate? I think that is possible, but however, I don't think that is always a bad or negative thing, because there's one thing that you are learning from the person. So you are learning from the way that she thinks, or how a team lead thinks. You are understanding how they are approaching things, and you're figuring out what is working and why that's working, right? That is not a bad thing. That is you growing and you taking the experiences of those around you, because obviously like the experiences of 5 person are going to be much more than the experiences of 1 person, right? So you're learning from, like, you have had a different life than I have had, but I'm learning from your experiences in a way that I wouldn't be able to do just
but that
by
doesn't
myself.
mean that she won't have her own creative thoughts.
No,
Exactly.
but
So you bring
then,
your own.
no, I will contradict this part बहुत importantly. So considering अगर हम अभी अपनी ये जो 6 से 8 लोग हैं इनको मैं अलहदा कर दूं, ठीक है, आप एक नए लेके आओ इंसान को, ठीक है, who is just starting the career, who wants to prove themselves, who is talented, maybe has their own opinion, ठीक है, जब उसको तुम इस चेंबर में लेके आओगे ना, ठीक है, they will mimic, ठीक है, because they would not have the same personality,
But
or like
that's fair, but that's what I was going to say. Mimicking is not the way to go. Like
प्यारे बच्चों, प्लीज मीरब बता रही हैं, ये गौर करें, टिप इसको रख लें, टिप ऑफ द डे, कि be yourself, be creative, be an individual. Does not matter कि अगर आपके bosses और आपके line manager are doing amazing work and they're getting it approved, you need to do the same thing.
There's a very famous quote: "Don't steal like a thief, steal like an artist."
Yeah.
So,
I like this.
है ना?
So you take what other people are doing and you add your own touch to it. अगर like for example, if I'm working with Magul and I'm just like, अच्छा Magul ऐसे करेगी, मैंने भी ऐसे करना है, that doesn't add anything to the table. Then like they can just give the work to Magul and Magul can just do it instead, right? Like there's nothing that I'm adding to the table then. But if I learn from her and I figure out कि अच्छा this is what she does, this is how she takes a project, and that's how that's why her approval rate or success
And
rate
then
is so
you
high.
put your own spin on
and I
it.
put my own spin on it, because creativity is subjective, but also like creativity, like people bring a different version to creativity when they start working on things.
I have 2 thoughts.
Next talking point, but yes.
ऐसी में भी ऐसी 2 चीजें. एक तो you're right, like wavelengths can match sometimes a lot, and that can become a problem. I think like we very consciously realized that this was becoming a problem for us, and then that's how we expanded, right? So एक तो again this brings me back to the point that like आपको consciously देखना पड़ता है कि like we have built this team, and we we hire these people because they bring all of this like great experience and great vibes, but we're not letting that through because we're just too used to the way that we are working. So that conscious decision to like do that is very important. Another thing that I think is, rather than experience, personalities matter a lot as well.
Okay.
For example, I am a very combative person. My CD knows. So like even like you and I, like, whenever we've had like difference of opinions, we have fought over this. We have fought in front of clients. We have fought like us tarah se.
She and I have fought in front of clients. She did not care what's my position. She fought. I did not care. She came up with the idea. I fought. She took the idea in front of the client. I don't like the idea in front of the client, because she was not
I was not
agreeing to that this is wrong. ठीक है?
the client sided with views then. Right,
मर गया
so I do think like उसमें like एक बंदे की personality बहुत ज़्यादा matter करती है, how vocal they are, how like
I
how
agree.
Also, like, how assertive they are in
How
being
assertive they are.
themselves.
So if you remember, there was a
Yeah.
conversation we had. So we did this pitch to a client, and uske baad I went on like 2-3 days off. I had to go somewhere for personal reasons. I came back. He called the entire creative team, and there was I think 1.5 घंटा हम बैठे रहे, and he was like, इस तरह pitch नहीं करती, ये क्या? And I didn't back down. I stuck to my guns. I was like, नहीं, इसी तरह pitch करना है.
I can't still believe that we won that.
We beat 14 other agencies to win that pitch. So.
And it was a terrible pitch.
It was not a terrible pitch. We won it. We beat 14 agencies.
Now I want to know.
So it is important sometimes to stick to your own guns and not just give in to what everybody else is doing. I think that's really important.
So we've talked about team leaders and power dynamics, and I want to bring it back to that point. How do you handle diversity if your team lead or your seniors are not allowing it? How do you handle being a diverse perspective in an environment that is not allowing you to cultivate and grow that?
हाय बहुत ही कोई touchy topic छेड़ दिए.
I would like open, because we have 2 team leads over here as well, so I would open that up to
No,
the
but
other way around.
before the team leads, I
want everyone's perspective.
I started
Yeah.
from ground up. ठीक है? He started from ground up. ठीक है? And PTSD ज़्यादा trigger हो रहे हैं इस बार question
Also
से, but
because like people here people have been team leads and people have worked with bosses, people have worked with other team leads, and even like for example like right now you are the CD, but you know you also work with like art directors and like account directors and all of the other team leads as well, right? So how do you guys feel as people who are parts of teams and leads of teams, what do you do when your diversity isn't being given the room to grow and isn't being given the voice that it deserves?
बोले
मुझे सवाल में आपने on the spot कर दिया.
Because मेरी side में चल रहा था, maybe like the directors and you know the higher positions gonna answer it first. For me, like I've never really faced it so far. As such, क्योंकि मेरे team lead अच्छे हैं. So लेते हैं. जो भी नहीं है यहाँ मुझे नहीं नजर आ रहे. Yeah, to work, which I'm not doing.
No, but यहाँ मैं इसको कहूँगा, and I think she should have said that. कि
She should have said that?
Yeah, she should have. She has a strong personality.
I do. That's true.
मतलब why she's sitting over here is if I have to bring in 10 people from the team and I put her in the same room, she stands out because of the kind of content she consumes, the kind of things she, मतलब I think it makes a difference, by the way, what kind of content a person consumes or what kind of languages she speaks. अब वो अपने आप को इस वक्त full humble दिखाना चाह रही है कि मैं बहुत humble हूँ, but आमतौर पे she's more dominating her lead more than that guy is telling him to do, ठीक है? Because that's a personality trait.
Let's cut that
ठीक है?
part, please.
And that's what I was expecting her to say. But anyways, I think
You were expecting her to say I dominate
I
over my
dominate
team
my
lead.
own seniors. I don't think so. I should say that.
but I always believe that people need to believe in themselves, take it,
Yeah.
rather than letting anyone, because that's what your question is leading to, take it. And I've had different experiences because you know, I've worked in, I don't have a better way to say it, but I've worked in environments where कि अगर आप पाकिस्तानी हो तो आपको क्या फेस करना पड़ता है, मतलब in general of that I don't want it to be, you know, taken it wrong, but yes, being a Pakistani is a problem in when you're working in different countries. People judge you by the color of the skin.
There's
ठीक
a lot of
है?
discrimination.
Yeah, while hiring, even if I was that amazing of a resource at times, I was not being hired because it was not the language or anything. It was just because me being Pakistani or who the hiring manager was, and and when you go into a team, no matter, maybe you have more experience than the other people who are sitting with you, but just because I'm a Pakistani at multiple times, they would not value my opinion and undermine me no matter what happened. That day I learned one thing. मतलब I always, like, मैं हमेशा से एक loud इंसान था और मैं I really did not care what other people thought. मैंने एक चीज़ करना स्टार्ट की थी, मुझे वही करना है जो मुझे करना है, ठीक है? I don't care if everybody wants to fucking tell me to fuck off. I will tell them कि भाई it is perfectly fine. मैं वही करूँगा जो मुझे लगता है, but it needs to be backed by reasoning, ठीक है?
Yeah, that's what I was also thinking.
And that is the kind of thing which I'm trying to bring when I became in a leadership role, कि people need to have their own individuality. मैं मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं उनको कह दूँ, मैं उनको सुनूंगा ही नहीं, ठीक है? So cultivating this kind of culture is very, very difficult in Pakistan or many other countries as well, take it. But that's what we're trying to build. You have worked in both the cases. I know your first agency, I think you were more at a leading kind of role and that kind of thing, so that doesn't matter. But what are your thoughts about that?
I think Meerab ने एक बात की अभी कि when your diversity doesn't kind of is not being let come through, I think it's important to know. So आपने बात की कि I work, yes you're right, कि I work with juniors, I work with art directors and all. So कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि I'm like trying to tell them my point of view, but they're obviously coming from a different background, having a different lens with which they see things. They have a different point of view. And sometimes you have to take a step back. It's important to be expressive and know कि अच्छा this is what you want to do, but you also have to देखो अगर आपके पास डाइवर्स टीम है और आप सिर्फ बात अपनी मनवा रहे हो तो फायदा नहीं उस डाइवर्सिटी का. सो यू ऑल्सो नीड टू नो, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टिक टू योर गन्स, बट इट्स ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो व्हेन टू बैक ऑफ एंड व्हेन टू लेट द अदर पर्सन's perspective come through as well. So it has to be, it's a two-way street. It can't just be कि हाँ ठीक है डाइवर्स टीम तो रख ली, लेकिन मैं बताऊंगा कि तुम लोग ने क्या करना है. So you have to have that input from them as well, and you have to consider it equally.
The answer, I'd like to ask this कि does the experience of that person who's sitting matter? ये हम इस पे बाद में
Yeah, I
आगे
was also
बढ़ेंगे.
going to come to that. But I also have like
It doesn't,
a
because
follow-up question.
I'll tell you
to
an
that.
example. I met this, like my first agency, I was a creative executive and I had this person who was an intern at that time. और हमारे पास एक pitch आई थी. I was working on that pitch with that intern. He did great. He wrote this amazing jingle and he ended up...
Shout out jingles.
he knows what I'm talking about. I think he knows what I'm talking about. And that person ended up being a great resource. He got hired because of that pitch. अब मैं अगर या उस time कोई भी उसको कहता कि यार ये तो intern है, तो he wouldn't have gotten that chance.
I'm talking about, for example, चलो मैं अपने आप को position पे डालता हूँ, ठीक है? You came up with an idea which you think is amazing and all those things, but I have spent almost 2 decades in this industry. From ground up and all those things, I've seen it evolve, ठीक है? मैं अगर कह रहा हूँ it will not work, ठीक है? And I'm giving logical reasoning and still because मेरी team इतनी diverse है और इतनी outspoken है, वो मुझे बार बार कह रही है कि नहीं हमें यही करना चाहिए. I do understand I need to back out at times. I don't need to get involved. But how do you tackle such situations?
I think honestly it depends, like case to case wala scene hai. And it also depends on your logic. If I'm going to judge your logic with my own understanding, right? अगर मुझे समझ आती है कि हाँ यार what he's saying is right, it makes sense, I'll be like हाँ you're right, let's change this. But if I feel like कि नहीं, I think that doesn't make sense, मेरी जो तो train of thought है, that might make more sense to the client yet whatever, so I would stick to that. I think again it has to be judged on a case to case basis.
हम tip 2 audience को देते हैं, ठीक है? कि चाहे आप डाइवर्स टीम हो वगैरह, बहुत सारी कंपनीज में आधा टाइम पागल होते हैं, नहीं भी होते तो उनका एक्सपीरियंस होता है. इफ़ यू आर कमिंग अप विद एन आइडिया विच यू रियली बिलीव वर्क्स, please have logical reasoning
make a case for it.
make a case for it, take it. And if it doesn't work out, I can guarantee you that idea, that case will work out one day or another for some other brand, take it. Just don't give up on it.
Yeah.
I mean, on the same
That's a
point,
good
If people are watching, they need to add some value. We need to tell these things.
give tips.
We'd also like your tips in the comments.
The people are, but does it matter if people watch or not?
So,
like, honestly.
I have like a follow-up question. So, like, if you guys want to add anything to this, you can, like, keeping the follow-up question in mind as well. So how do you deal with like power dynamics when it comes to diversity? So there are team leads, there are juniors in a team, there are people who have had more years of experience, there are people who are older than you. How do you manage those power dynamics, and especially when it comes to like honoring diversity as well?
That's a difficult question.
That's a very difficult question.
I have
You
an
guys need to take
answer.
time to think about
I
it. We
have
will
an
cut that
answer
out.
for this because I was thinking along this for the previous question as well. I think in my case at least, being self-aware has been very important. So I have been in both like a subordinate position and like a team lead position as well. And especially in the team lead position, I feel like me personally, I know that I'm very stubborn, and I know that like if I think this is correct, then like I'm very inclined to believe that 100%. So like being self-aware of that and being like, no, like I really do have to like listen to my juniors. There's a reason that they're on the table. I've had like 2-3 really interesting people on my different teams, and they've brought some things sometimes that I've completely disagreed with. And my first instinct has always been to like shoot it down. So just like being aware of like my first instinct is probably like not the best thing, because that's like where like my stubbornness is coming, and then it's like, oh, main theek hu. I know this client, I know like what's better for this. I do have to be like consciously squash that impulse, like you know, like let this other person speak. So like throughout, like in the beginning, I used to do that. Like I didn't learn from but like later I started learning that when all my projects started to look the same, because I wasn't like letting those voices come through. So and then just like having that like awareness, and then like letting those voices like go through you, while at the meanwhile being also aware that yes, I am aware of the client and I do know what they want. So you just kind of help that idea reach the most potential it has, rather than like squashing it down completely. So that has been like what I have learned.
I think that's a very good answer, I say, because you can't lie to yourself, not in this business. आप अगले बंदे को हम half the time we know कि we're bullshitting the client, to be honest, we're selling them shit. But
I mean, it depends on the client.
it depends on the client.
Depends on the shit.
And we justify that shit with reasoning. So that is at the end of the day justified. But बात ये है कि you can't lie to yourself. You have to know your limits. You have to know कि कहाँ आपने खाना पूरी की है और आपको पता ना हो तो that is a big red flag. You need to know. You need to be able to take it as much as you give it. वो वाली बात है. So for that you need to be self-aware. I completely agree. That's actually a very good point.
I'd like to bring in the next point. Is diversity purely for morality or can it be a strategic move? इसको मैं थोड़ा सा बेहतर करूँगा. I know this was one of the talking points. यहाँ ना and I will bring in gender discrimination and all those things in this thing. ठीक है.
I like how we have very smartly avoided that throughout this entire conversation. About
I knew you guys were all not guys, girls were trying to avoid this thing. कि आदि जो teams है ना वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ diversity ये दिखाने के लिए ले आते हैं यार हम मतलब जेंडर पे ले आओ बाकी चीज़ों पे ले आओ ठीक है सो सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए डू यू थिंक कि it needs to be more strategic or it needs to be just to show to the client?
I think it needs to be strategic for sure. There's no two ways about it.
यहाँ I'm gonna bring her field in the mix ठीक है client servicing में लड़कियाँ रखी जाती हैं ठीक है diversity के नाम पे या फिर like maybe they are better at that job. Do you think I have to watch my words ठीक है do you think कि it is done just to have an equal strength या हमारी इंडस्ट्री बहुत हरकी है ठीक है मतलब it's not an industry मतलब countries is sort of
I haven't really faced it yet.
क्या चीज? Yeah, you've been lucky because you've worked on more international clients as compared to that. But overall, क्यों gender wise पता है इतना मुझे फूक के कदम रखने पड़ रहे हैं ठीक है क्योंकि I know what I want to say लड़कियां क्यों रखी जाती है भाई ये डाइवर्सिटी के मामले में जब आके are they actually good at their job or is it just because कि उनका शक्ल दिखानी है तो इस वजह से हम उनको रखते हैं
आउट ऑफ सिलेबस हम क्रिएटिविटी पे बात करें सीरियस पे बात
क्रिएटिव के लिहाज से बात कर लो ठीक है क्रिएटिव में लड़के why do they consider like I know our male team members are working on female fashion brands as well and I love the fact like I honestly really appreciate कि they're working but why is that considered कि अगर आपके पास fashion brand आया तो उस पे लड़की ही creative manager होनी चाहिए ठीक है so diversity gender
Sometimes that's the first thought
because it comes from internal biases.
I haven't seen a lot of that happen to be honest. Like there was at an agency I used to work at, we had a lingerie brand. There was a dude working on it. Well, that's fine.
Yeah. So, but I do think
no comments. No
People
comments.
who know me know which brand I'm talking about and who I'm talking about.
But yeah, but I think I agree with him. This is a very common thing that happens is you are selected for clients or positions based on your gender and sometimes maybe not even based on your skill level. I worked with a CD who wanted to give
CD? This CD?
Not this CD, a CD.
A CD.
Yeah, an unknown CD who wanted to give me a fashion client on the basis of the fact that I was a woman and she didn't want to give it to someone.
Was that CD a woman or a man?
A woman.
Ah, interesting.
Chandler?
Yeah. Hey, leave the chance out of this. But she didn't want to give it to someone who was more experienced and who might have even been able to handle the brand better than I would have because they were also at a more senior position than
And
I was.
context, this was when you were very new to the job, right?
This was also when I was very new to the
Yeah.
job. So in that situation there is an internal bias कि अगर औरत है तो वो फैशन लुक समझ जाएगी और कर लेगी लेकिन मर्द नहीं समझ पाएगा और मर्द क्यों करे एंड आई थिंक दिस आल्सो लाइक वी कैन गो ऑफ सो मेनी डिफरेंट tangents but it's also considered like a lesser brand or a lesser field.
No, it's not. I slightly disagree with that. नहीं what? No, अच्छा एक second. Let me put these things into context. आपने बात की कि we have somebody, a male member who's working on a female fashion brand, right? I was the one who put him on that female fashion brand, number one.
Sir.
Come on.
Don't do that. Number two, said lingerie brand, I also wanted to work on it because it was a very interesting brand. They were open. No, honestly.
Okay, but I would say in that situation, like, that is your diversity and that is your unique perspective on this.
Or maybe your exposure.
Or maybe your
Yeah.
exposure to things. Like, you do not have that same internal bias, but you deny that other people have that internal bias in this industry.
No, I don't deny that people have that bias because that bias exists.
Yeah.
इस बात का कोई शक नहीं है.
Yeah.
So you're telling me, हाँ मतलब आपने agree
Sometimes
कर लिया?
it
Yeah.
also happens indirectly. Like you kind of end up forming a team that's just like maybe all guys, and just for showcasing, कि, oh no, like you know we also have girls. We're like okay, we'll put this person in it. So it seems like oh हम लोग diversity.
But then that's not indirectly. That is
That
to
is directly,
show.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they end up thinking that okay, sometimes you know you pick up a team, certain people, you're like okay, you know this person, this person, this person, this person,
Yeah.
but it all ends up being guys. Sometimes it happens, it just happens. जरूरी नहीं है कि मतलब वो जानबूझ के करे. They're like यार ये तो सारे लड़के हो गए हैं, तो let's add a girl just for the sake of it.
I need to point this out, and I think it
Because
is
then it
it
becomes,
is a problem as
it-
well.
it becomes a
so
problem
for
then.
example, I was going to an ex client for a meeting, and we were taking a team, and I found out that all the people who are going with me are girls. मतलब, and
Oh,
yeah,
that
yeah, that yeah, and then intentionally I had to, although the team which was going was the right exact fit which should have gone for that pitch for that meeting, I had to shuffle around. She was there. We had to bring in couple of guys who would not do anything at all, but they needed to be there just to make sure कि वो जो diversity दिखाई जा सके वो मतलब आप मतलब अलग केस आमतौर पे आप लड़के जा रहे होते हो तो पता नहीं एक आधी लड़की को साथ हो, but at that certain point of time because the team who was working and the team who was available all were females and we had to take it that way, ठीक है. So वो वाली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कई बार ना आपको मतलब डाइवर्सिटी वाली जो बात कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग, इट्स नॉट अगेन नॉट ओनली इन जेंडर, इट्स अबाउट वी आर टॉकिंग ऑन द बिगर स्केल, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पर्सनालिटी वाइज, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल
Even
दोस
age,
थिंग्स.
Even
yeah,
age
because in
plays a
advertising
lot of
age
role,
also
हाँ.
matters a lot.
बहुत ज़्यादा करती है. हाँ,
Especially because
बहुत ज़्यादा
there's so many
problem.
stereotypes against
Actually,
younger people,
I like
older
the
people.
I like the age वाला जो point आपने लेके आए हो, क्योंकि age वाली पे बहुत ज़्यादा मसले आते हैं. अगर आप जाते हो, so although I am of a decent age, but if I cut my beard, हाँ मतलब appropriate age, अगर मैं अपनी दाढ़ी वगैरह कम कर दूँ and I go like a younger kind of thing, I have seen clients, especially not only here, internationally as well, not take me serious. Like they're like यार ये बच्चा है यार, ये क्या बात कर रहा होगा,
इसको क्या
ठीक है.
पता होगा,
हाँ मतलब so
It's also some flip side भी है
Flip side भी
because
है.
you go to agencies and if you're getting older तो
Gen
like
Z.
ये बूढ़े को क्यों hire करना है.
You and I've had this discussion multiple
Yeah, so
times
ये-
कि why on certain brands आपको वो Gen Z वाले Gen Alpha वाला vibe चाहिए
And when I
आपको.
started this career मुझे पता था कि like later 30s के बाद probably मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा survive करना. Why I had this thought? Because that's what I've seen growing up working in this industry के 30s mid 30s के बाद लोग इस industry से phase out होने शुरू होते हैं
Now
because
we
they
know
are
how
kind of
models feel.
So we conclude के diversity needs to be strategic. Age, gender,
agreed.
kind of exposure, all of this is how teams need to be built.
And it doesn't necessarily have to be that you have one person for every category.
So dear clients, whenever you're looking for an agency, whenever you're looking for people who
ये तो ad बन गए.
हाँ मतलब आप लोग ये जरूर देखें नहीं on a very serious note, new business owners, people who want to start their own ventures, please look into this, what kind of people you have in your team, how do they bring like perspective towards it. They can be young, they can be older, they can be male, they can be female, they can be people who are maybe from different cities, but diversity is very very important. And और while मैं थोड़ा सा क्लाइंट को पिचिंग वाले स्टाइल में भी गए तो डियर क्लाइंट्स, अगर आप एजेंसी हायर कर रहे हैं ना, पहले उनकी टीम देख लेना, ठीक है. ये ना कहना कि भाई ऊपर टॉप लीडरशिप के देखिए उनके पास डाइवर्सिटी है या नहीं.
Yeah.
And if they bring ideas. That also matters. I mean, diversity.
मैं नहीं
does
बंद
not
कर रहा,
mean-
अभी हमारे 4 क्वेश्चन रहते हैं, ठीक है, 1.5 घंटा भी जाता है, जाने दो. तो सही है, ढेर सारी लेके आना था.
तो मेरा एक पॉइंट है, सुना कैमरा ने मुझे बुलवा दिया.
Next talking point. I really loved one talking point which I had highlighted. Yeah.
So I think also like when we have like this hiring process and like we're building these teams, it's also very important to be aware of like societal and even your own internal biases.
I thought she said suicidal.
I thought the same.
आपको पता होना चाहिए आपकी टीम में कोई suicidal है.
That true. But yeah, so in the sense that like in Pakistan, I felt this a lot. Here, like there are biases against hiring women. I have been asked in an interview कि like मेरा शादी का क्या scene है, you know, and like people.
या बच्चों का क्या सीन है? That's the thing across all.
Being guys, we can tell you for us to find a job is more difficult as compared to you.
Says the person gender bias who says International Men's Day should not be celebrated.
You.
Well, I
Sir,
stand by
sir,
that
sir.
statement. Most people would.
No, we will dive. No, हम उस पे बात नहीं करेंगे.
Fight over this because I've already done that.
Yeah, we've done
No, but
What I'm saying is, I'm not saying that it's harder for women to find jobs. That's not the statement over
These
here.
are some questions that are being asked
These
during
are just-
interviews.
Yes, and I'm just saying कि like when people are building these teams, they really need to put that bias aside.
no,
That-
I will ask the same thing, and I will bring this thing as a person at at certain position. ठीक है, मैं ये बात बड़ा simple कह सकता हूँ. Yes, I would like to know कि if they're married or not. Number one. Yes, I would like to know are they planning to get married or not. ठीक है, because again,
agree.
if I was sitting internationally, if you tell me when I'm hiring people in UAE, this does not matter. If I'm hiring people in Canada, this does not matter. I'll tell you why. In a country like Pakistan, you bring out the statistics, you bring out the data. How many female doctors are actually not practicing? Take it. That is the culture we have, because people in Pakistan overall have the convenience. And to be very honest, I say this a lot of times कि काश मैं लड़की होता भाई, मैं भी ना क्या कहते हैं करने के बाद मैं शादी कर लेता, शादी करने के बाद मुझे कुछ करना ना पड़ता, because that is the culture. जिंदगी आसान होती ना, मतलब होती है. I'm sorry, I'm not saying कि मतलब no, I'm not saying in that way कि आसान होती है. I am talking about कि when you're hiring, I'm sorry, but this thing matters. For me, it does not matter कि if they're married, yes or no, if they're going to get married. I just want to know कि do they take their career this serious, seriously,
I
like do they want to do it?
Yeah, and there's a way to pose
No,
that question.
but then they. I know what you're saying कि people ask it in the wrong way, but
Yeah,
I
they
will
ask it
ask
very
you
bluntly and
in
wrongly.
that way कि देखो, अगर आप मुझे कह दो कि सोसाइटी में ओके है कि भाई लड़का और लड़की की शादी हो रही है, लड़का मूव होके लड़की की तरफ आ रहा है, ठीक है, I not have this question. यहाँ क्या होता है कि and we have had those cases कि आपने एक टैलेंट लेके आए, आपने उसको ग्रूम किया, आपने उस पर मेहनत की, and you expect कि यार एटलीस्ट आपको 2 साल देके जाएगा, then suddenly you find out that the girl is getting married and जी अब वो कनाडा जा रही है, ठीक है.
Yes, but the
So
thing is
मतलब
कि like okay, people shifting jobs is a reality. Like there are guys, we had one in our office who changed like 6 jobs in his past year. So like I think over there the inclination to like hire like just this one person who is a male over this one person who is a female, if they're equally qualified, people.
No, but then the question I asked from male is, and I think the first question I asked Shariar was, are you planning to go abroad? Because that is currently the question.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
But
ये
that's-
बड़ी
that's
HR
not-
related
that's
creative
not-
से discussion चला
That's
गया
not
वहाँ.
an invasion of like their privacy, na? Like
Yeah.
that's not like making a bias based on their gender.
Also,
And
this
people
opinion.
to go do that. But so basically, what I've seen is like people don't even ask these questions. You know, like asking these questions is problematic. But like they make these decisions on the basis of like, oh, ये तो बंदी है, इसकी तो शादी हो जानी है.
Okay.
Oh, ये तो बंदी है, इसको लेट सेटिंग्स नहीं करनी है. And then they just like discard a lot of like.
लड़ाई होगी 2 मिनट के लिए पॉज करते हैं ताकि वो बैटरी चेंज कर ले और कार्ड चेंज कर ले और वापस आते हैं हम, ठीक है.
Okay.
Recording. Oh, we're back. Thank you for the clap. हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया, we did not fight. They were actually changing memory card. I
That
think
does not
that
sound convincing, but yes, we did not.
Yeah.
We decided that this is a topic that we would like to discuss in more detail because we are very opinionated people with very diverse perspectives, and it deserves its own
We
episode.
might fight then.
yeah. So expect कि हम लोग अगले में लड़ पड़ेंगे because these two girls have issues which we need to resolve in the next episode.
But I want to wrap this episode up by asking you guys, do you guys think sometimes the best ideas come from the most unexpected voices?
Absolutely. Bilkul.
Yes.
And also,
true.
can you guys share examples?
I am the unexpected voice.
I'll give you an example. So in my previous agency, we had a client. I can't name the client as well, but my account director was talking to me, and he gave me this really great idea. I can't tell you the idea as well.
सॉरी एक बात प्रीवियस एजेंसी वाले आज लंच पे लेके जा रहे हैं इस वजह से बार बार प्रीवियस
नहीं,
एजेंसी
वो
का
नहीं,
अच्छा मैंने कहा क्लैरिफाई कर लूं
वो लंच वाली और प्रीवियस एजेंसी फर्क है.
ओके थैंक यू
So anyway, so he came up with this really cool idea, and we discussed it for 5 minutes. I was like, "अरे करते हैं," and I made like an entire deck for it. And sorry, not my account director, my business director. And we went to the client, and हमने आधे घंटे में उनको idea sold कर दिया था. It was a great meeting, by the way. It was like tennis खेल रहे थे हम. वो उधर से बात करता था, मैं इधर से करता था. So I think that idea came from a very unexpected place, and it was a great success. So ideas can come from anybody. हम लोग so at another agency, sorry, there was this practice कि हम on a very big multinational client के हम लोग अक्सर concepts के लिए बैठते थे. तो it wasn't just creative setting for concepts, it was CS and design as well. क्योंकि आपको insight कहीं से भी मिल सकती है. And this industry is based on insights. हम लोग लोगों से बात करें और लोग हर तरह के होते हैं और हर तरह के लोग हर तरह के सोच लेके आते हैं. So it doesn't have to be कि creative सिर्फ कर सकता है या अगर design बनाना है तो designer कर सकता है. I've seen CS come up with great ideas as well. So I think a good idea can come from anywhere. हाँ उसको refine कर सकते हैं, but a thought can come from anywhere, and a thought is all you need to make a great campaign.
I think jumping on that, जो Honda की line है ना, the मैं ते Honda लेसा, I think that came from an office boy. ज़्यादा मैंने
I think the story is
the story.
Yeah, I
is
would
कि
not like
like
to
the-
comment on it, so I'm not sure.
No, that's actually a very successful line.
It's a
Yeah.
very successful
No,
line.
no,
and
I
like
don't
the-
know where it came from, so
Yeah.
I can't do. I can't commit
Allegedly,
anything.
that's the story.
Yeah, I can't commit anything which is without
Yeah,
fact
so
check.
like essentially what I have heard
Yeah.
is, and I've seen this video online, I can like we can fact check it later, but that this team was like working on it, and they were like trying to come up with a concept, trying to come up with like a line, and one of the like creatives or account director, they asked the kitchen boy or somebody who was like working around them कि तुम कौन सी बाइक लो अगर लो, तो then उसने आगे से जवाब दिया था कि सर जी मैं ते होंडा लेसा, तो उस and that's how it became like you
Very
know the
popular
sensation that it
campaign,
is.
yeah.
It was a big hit.
Yeah, it's like-
Like, stats wise, they like I think a lot of brands started copying that line as well. मुझे याद नहीं एक और बाइक का कोई था, उन्होंने इसी तरह की फिर कोई लाइन निकालना शुरू की थी. It was a big hit.
And what you're saying, I absolutely agree. My process, or it's usually by talking people, I come up with ideas, and that's how I brainstorm. Like I usually like to go blank. I'm more of a spontaneous kind of a person who comes up with ideas on spot rather than other way, and then I do my research and backing to it. Okay. I have had the best ideas in my life just by having conversation with people, and just to do that I made it a point on couple of things. So depending on for example, कभी जब मैं यूएई में था या पाकिस्तान में था, मैं उबर करीम पे बहुत रेयरली जाता हूँ, लेकिन जब भी मैं जाता हूँ रिक्शे पे जाता हूँ, कुछ पे जाता हूँ, so I like to talk to them. ठीक है, they would give you you know इतनी जबरदस्त बातें, and you never know when that can be
That is
related.
very
ठीक
true.
है, I love when I'm waiting for something. ठीक है, जो guards बैठे होते हैं वगैरह, मैं उनके साथ बैठ जाता हूँ. I like talking to them, and I make it a point कि every winters or when the weather is good, I go to Old Lahore and have tea with the most random people you can imagine, because the insights they give, or those आप चाहे बूढ़े लोगों को बात कर लो, चाहे आप young लोगों को कर लो, you would find the most unique perspective if you actually talk to people. ठीक है, and that's why focus groups and all those things होते हैं. But मुझे लगता है focus group यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा वो एक different किस्म का लोगों ने कर दिया हुआ है. But talking to people is what focus group is. Even like one of my I think I did it in 2015 or 14 or 16, something around that time. So I did a campaign for a brand called American Garden. American Garden ka peanut butter was the thing, and that campaign, by the way, till now they're using every year. It became more like an IP for them. Okay, so they were like, they need a campaign. They want to focus on peanut butter, and randomly I was sitting in the office, and I saw a girl who was putting peanut butter on apple. And by the way, and I found out that people actually do that. ठीक है, वो इतना से लगा के they were doing it. So I asked her, I'm like, she's like, this is one of my favorite snacks, and she used the word especially snacks. ठीक है, from that an insight came that peanut butter is people use it for snacks. ठीक है, and then we came up with something which was called Snackovation. That is innovative snack
Snacking.
creation, ठीक है? So the whole campaign came up from that. And same time पे most randomest idea, the execution was in I think it was Da Vinci's Demons or something, where Leonardo da Vinci का ना वो बड़ा वो एक बना के ना एक artwork का style देते हैं. So that came into play. So random ideas मिल के ना एक अच्छा idea बन जाता है. And I'm actually very proud of the campaign over there, because the client was accepting it, and it actually started working, just creating those things. So if I did not see that girl eating an apple with peanut butter, ठीक है, it would not have clicked. So आपके कभी कभार अच्छे ideas ऐसे ही आते हैं.
I agree with that. I think kind of like to tie it back to marketing. If you are not talking to the people, how will you ever understand how to market to the people? Because that
True.
is your target audience. That is what's going to build up your brand. Sure, you can have a personality and you can have an online presence, but until and unless people are in support of your brand, they're in support of what you're doing, you do not gauge that audience or that level of relevancy. So again, like, how do you market to people if you are not talking to them? And I don't just mean like talking to the people who are in your immediate social circle, because those people are most likely the most like you. I mean talking to everybody, because everybody at the end of the day has a very diverse perspective.
Ending thoughts, Miss Safifa Kareem.
As a special guest on today's episode of this podcast.
Hire people to diversify.
Hi, people.
Hire people.
I think we would like to end this on a
Yeah.
lighter note. We need to be more receptive to people. We need to
Exactly.
have a diverse kind of thing to bring more value on the table, like, in all honesty. And I think that is what differentiates between a good company and a bad company.
And I think
Yeah,
on that
and be
note,
acceptive of their ideas.
yeah. So on that note, especially if you are in a position of power, if you are a team lead or a CEO of a company, use that power and authority to cultivate an environment where diverse perspectives can really grow and help each other grow as well.
ये तो preachy हो गया end
Yeah.
पे.
So yeah, cut this out. Preaching नहीं हम हो सकते.
That was a nice ending note.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. So
Well,
thank
yeah.
you all.
Thank
We're
you
gonna
all.
wrap it up.
Tune in next time to see us fight.
Oh, yeah.
Diversity in the world.
I think
You think?
yeah, लड़ाई होगी.
मेरे को अगले वाले में नहीं आना.
मेरे को भी नहीं आना. ये दो खवातीन लड़ ले. ठीक है. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, लड़ेंगे.
Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
It's me.